Welcome to Best Useful Tips. Here I will show you how to change keyboard language on Windows 10 PC or laptop devices. Let's see step by step guide. Tap on Windows Start icon. Tap Setting Gear icon. Here you can see Windows settings. Tap on Time and Languages. Now tap Language. Here you can see Install Language. Tap on a language you want to change keyboard. Now tap on Options. Here at the end of page you can see keyboards. By default set US QWERTY as a keyboard. In tap on Add a keyboard. Now you can see list of keyboard. Tap keyboard you want to install. Now you can see keyboard add. Now select keyboard you want to set as default keyboard on Windows 10. Also remove it from here. Tap on keyboard you want to remove. That's it. I hope this tutorial helpful to change keyboard in your Windows 10. Please like it, share it, don't forget to subscribe.